Hey lovelies, so this is Truth Finance and it is still at its early stage. It's also called TruthFi Airdrop. It is still at its early stage, and I like doing airdrop projects that are still at their early stage where it's not really that popular yet, so that you'll be among the top players or miners. Now, happy new month to every one of you out there. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos, subscribing, leaving me comments and likes. I really appreciate your support. Remember that you can always leave your comments in the comment section and I will always respond to them, irrespective of how many times you ask. Now, I want to walk you through how to start mining this airdrop project. But before then, there's something I want to say. A lot of people are making it big in this airdrop space, and also there is a lot of negativity around farming airdrop. But I decided during the last month that I'm going to clean up my community. What I mean is this: there are people who want or who are willing to farm airdrop projects, and there are others who are not willing and who decide to project negativity to discourage others from farming airdrop projects. Now, these people who are not willing probably are not willing because they don't believe that airdrop project is paying. Also, some of them just have this negative mindset, these negative vibes around them. Another point could be that some of them may not have the financial means to do some airdrop project that requires like some gas fee or financial commitment. That last reason is understandable, but there is no need for you to pass on your negativity to others. So I decided that whenever I spot a negative vibe from a subscriber, especially on my Telegram channel, I'll just restrict the person, because it is one thing to be willing to do something and it's another thing to be passing around negative vibes. So if you join my Telegram community and decide to pass negative vibes to other people who are willing to perform tasks or do airdrop tasks, you'll be restricted. Yes. So that being said, this is another airdrop project and it is still in the early stage. It is called TruthFi. And I'm going to walk you through how to get it. To do that, you need to first of all come to this place and you're going to come here and connect your Solana wallet. Now, this is on the Solana blockchain, and I usually like things around the Solana blockchain. So the link to this airdrop project is going to be in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. So I'm going to go to my Phantom wallet right now. I'm going to copy my Solana address and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I am in my Phantom wallet right now, and I've shared a very detailed video on how to create a Phantom account and all that. I'm not going to go through that. Then I'm going to click on this home page that is there. Make sure you're on the home tab. Then you're going to come here and click on the receive. Once you click on the receive, you're now going to come here and see wallet types here. You can see Su, you can see others here. I'm just going to select this one that says Solana because that is exactly what I want to use, and I'll click on copy. Then once I click on copy, you see it showed here that is copied. I will now go back to my browser and I'm going to go to the TruthFi dashboard. On the TruthFinance dashboard or the TruthFi dashboard, you want to come here and you want to paste that Solana address, wallet address here. So this is how simple it is. Once you paste the address, you will now come down here and click on N. You come here, you click on N and allow it to do its thing. Now, if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates. I also hunt for airdrop projects and share with my subscribers either on Telegram or YouTube. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food trays, and commercial drinks from time to time. I also share how to earn money on the side. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. So this now is my dashboard. This is how it looks like. You need a Solana wallet address to be able to log in. So what you're going to do is you're going to engage in doing tasks. And I will advise you to also join the Telegram channel. so that you can always get updated on project like this at this early stage, and also hint about this project or news about this project. Quickly, I'm going to walk you through some tasks. The first task here is you need to check in daily. Like you see, I've done this for today, so I'll come back tomorrow and do this and check in daily. Then now I'm going to connect my Twitter account or my X account, and you see that my balance here has also increased. My balance here has increased. Twitter account here, this is my brand Twitter account, is already connected. So another thing is, make sure you refer your friends, and you just need to come down here and copy your referral link. You click on this link here to copy your referral link. So you scroll up again and you do more of these tasks. The first task here says follow TruthFi on Twitter. You do this, you join the Telegram community. I don't want this video to be long. I just want to do an introduction into this TruthFinance Airdrop project. So you do all these tasks, and then while you're doing those tasks, your point is going to be increasing. So if there are any new updates, I'm going to be sharing it on YouTube and also on Telegram. So that is all for me for now. Stay subscribed because I'll be bringing to you more projects in this month of April. Once again, welcome to April. May this month be favorable for all of us, especially in the crypto web space, and may our airdrop projects cook well. So see you in that subsequent video. Bye for now.